Understanding horizontal velocity, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting concept that connects both English language learning and basic physics. Our topic is horizontal velocity. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just a curious mind, understanding this term will not only help you in your English language journey but also give you a glimpse into the fascinating world of motion. Let's unravel the mystery together. Before we delve into the concept of horizontal velocity, let's break down the terms to understand them better. Horizontal refers to anything that is parallel to the ground or the horizon. It's the opposite of vertical, which means up and down. Velocity, on the other hand, is a bit more complex. It's a measure of how fast something is moving and in what direction. So, when we talk about horizontal velocity, we are discussing the speed at which something moves parallel to the ground. Now that we know what the terms mean, let's explore horizontal velocity in more detail. In the physical world, when an object moves, it can do so in various directions. Horizontal velocity specifically refers to the component of an object's motion that is parallel to the Earth's surface. It is important to note that this concept assumes the absence of any vertical motion, meaning the object is not moving up or down. A perfect example of horizontal velocity is a car driving straight on a flat road. The car's speedometer shows its velocity. If the car maintains a steady speed and doesn't turn, ascend, or descend, its velocity is entirely horizontal. You might wonder, why is horizontal velocity important? In real-life applications, understanding horizontal velocity is crucial for various fields such as engineering, aviation, and sports. For example, in sports, a football player kicking a ball aims to give it a certain horizontal velocity to reach another player or the goal. In aviation, pilots need to understand horizontal velocity to navigate planes safely. Furthermore, in English language learning, grasping the concept of horizontal velocity enriches your vocabulary and scientific understanding, making it easier to engage with native speakers on a wide range of topics. And that's a wrap on horizontal velocity. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing concept and made it easier for you to understand and use this term in your English conversations and studies. Remember, learning English is not just about memorizing words and grammar, it's also about understanding the ideas behind the words. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.